So hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone problem. So the first fix is check date and time settings. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on date and time, and make sure set automatically is enabled. Make sure your time zone is selected and set automatically is enabled. Now the second fix is search for App Store and open it. Ensure you have an active network connection. If you do not have it, switch to Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, switch to cellular. Now the third fix is sign out and sign back in. So for this, open settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out, and after sign out, sign in again to see the changes. The fourth fix is refresh internet connection. Turn on airplane mode, wait for few seconds, then turn it off again. Now connect to your Wi-Fi or your cellular network and try opening App Store. If this also does not fix a problem, the fifth fix is reset network setting. For this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode again, tap on reset network setting. This will reset your network and your problem may fix. The sixth and last fix is to turn on cellular for App Store. So for this, go to settings, tap on mobile service or cellular. Now ensure App Store is not turned off. If it is, turn it on. Search for App Store, and if it is turned off in mobile service or cellular, turn it on. Then you will able to enable this App Store in mobile data or cellular. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.